Oh, you need fucking tires, mate.
Yeah, I do. I do need tires. Need tires.
Fuck.
What? Yeah. So bad. They ain't gonna be bugging. Oh. No.
You dead? You dead?
Yeah. I guess I left the fan on for like 2 seconds. Fuck my life.
Bring it up my driveway.
Why?
I have a booster.
I guess.
Seat off or get access to it.
Yeah. I haven't tried to. Let's try to.
Push?
Yeah. Is it? Okay, that's in first gear. I want it in second, buddy. That's first. That's second, right? Oh, the assume so. How come it died?
I don't know. You don't know. Maybe I haven't turned it off all the way.
Okay. Well, push me.
I am pushing.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. No, what the? What the?
Almost.
Yeah. Push, push, push. Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, turn it around.
Yeah.
I wonder if I should get on back of my bike and push one of the
You
tanks.
could. Okay. I don't wanna fucking die. Alright. Ready? Ah, fuck it. Booster. Yeah.
You sure you don't want me to try pushing off the bike?
It's fine, let's just boost it. It's easier that way. If you want. Fuck my life. Why did it do that all of a sudden? It was all good this day.
What the fuck is it?
I don't know what that is actually. Start what? Okay.
Yeah. Okay. I'll just grab one. Whatever.
Yeah. Okay. Goodness gracious. That was tiring. So tiring. Actually.
Group connection lost.
Well, working out the kinks, I guess, of this bike. Needs a battery or a stator or something. Because I drive all the way here and it should have charged it or something, you know.
Oh. Are you able to take the seat off?
Yeah, I'm taking it out right now. Boom. Oof.
I think you're gonna have to bring the bike up here.
No. Okay. Fuck, I'm sweaty now. forgot the key. Neutral.
Well, cause this is more of a. Cause this most, yeah. This technically charges the battery.
Is it just charging it right now?
Yeah.
It's not boosting it?
Yeah, there's no booster. It's only
No. So, that mishap. Hopefully that doesn't happen. I hope I don't stall it. It's like a weird. Still getting used to the bike. There's some people like in whatever right now. Hey, we're going right. Think. All right. You have the signals this time.
signal. Oh, I don't signal.
Oh, okay. I was just wondering. Yep. Yeah, it's so hard to sit upright on earlier. I like sitting upright. It reminds me of my 701. Oh God. Please don't die. You're scary. You're a scary guy. You lead. I'm not. I'm gonna trail because I'm really like just feeling my bike right now. Yeah, later. I just. What signals? Oh, like on the front ones? One day I'll get comfortable with this baby girl. What? Come next to you? Oh. I jumped.